Wat if apenheid dat looks completelei ordinary veldbeheiding as story word het thousands of dollars or in an extraordinary case a Jacqueline Vallier of 605,000. Before hou spend another 1964 Lincoln Penny, sin stop antlook at het karvelei. Te date alone dus not make every 1964 penny rare, bid vertuin combinations of condition, variety, errors, and collector demand kan make individual coins dramatically more interesting. Wel tome to phone seller network, weere we explore te historie, mysteries, varieties, and potential value of coins dat manipule overlook every single day. Today we are focusing on one specific one, te 1964 Lincoln Penny. If ou have one in an old collection, a soignaar, a box of in a rated change, or ticket of a somewhere in our home, tes is the perfect time to take a closer look. 1964 Lincoln Penny. The 1964 Lincoln cent belongs to an important period in United States coinage. It was strict during a time when the country was experiencing enormous demand for coins, and the mint was producing coins in high quantities. The obverse is the famous portrait of President Abraham Lincoln, created by Victor David Brenner, with the words liberty and in God we trust surrounding the portrait, along with the date 1964. Onder reverse, hou wil vind the Lincoln Memorial, accompanied by United States of America, a pluribus unum, and one cent. At first glance, a 1964 Lincoln penny my looklike just another old copper coin. But here is a reason collectors pay attention to coins from this era. The 1960s weer a fascinating period for American coinage, and 1964 was especially important because the United States mint was dealing with a nation with a foonsoortage. Enormous quantities of chains were produced to satisfy demand, meaning that most ordinary 1964 pennies are not rare simply because of their date. That fact is extremely important. If some unitals out that every 1964 penny is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, that claims hold immediately rise questions. Most circulated 1964 Lincoln cents are common. They value generally depends on condition, originality, varieties, and whether they possess a genuine mint error or another initial characteristics. The potentiële extraordinary 605,000 figure sal tervore beïnderstoot as a Jacqueline Vallier associated with an exceptionally rare or special exemple, not as the normal value of every 1964 penny. So wat sal ou look voor? Start with the muntmark. Manne 1964 Lincoln cents weer produced at the Philadelphia Mint and tervore have no muntmark. Vele Denver exemples carry a small beneath the data. Identifying the mint can help ou compare our schoen with the correct population and known varieties. The mint mark itself does not automatically make a 1964 penny valuable, but it is one of the first details as serious collector checks. Next, examine the condition. This gaan make an enormous difference. A circulated penny may have scratches, dents, dark spots, discoloration, and wear across Lincoln's portrait and the memorial. A foin that has spent decades in circulation gaan still be collectible, but it generally will not comment, nov imagine finding a 1964 Lincoln penny with the sharp original details, excellent luster, virtually no contact marks, and exceptional overall preservation. Dat coin veld become much more interesting to collectors. High-grade exemples are evaluated carefully because even coins from a common year can become scarce at the highest levels of preservation. Look closely at Lincoln's hair. Are the details sharp? Check his cheek and ja for contact marks. Examine the fields in front of and behind his portrait. Ten turn the coin over and inspect the Lincoln Memorial. Look at the columns, roofline, lettering, and open fields. Smalle marks that are almost invisible to the naked eye gaan afwet de grade significantly. Color is another important factor for coppershades. Professional grading often distinguishes between red proven, unproven examples. As so'n retaining as strong original red appearance kan bemoere desirable tan ohne dat has naturale darkenet over decades. Bit bekarevol, artificiële brugtenet coins gaan so met die mislookse spesiauslei sien hy. Cleaning, polishing, chemicals or other alterations gaan negatively affect collector value. Ten to investigate is de possibiliteit of a mint error. Tes is weer aan ordinare loking 1964 penny gaan bekome trillei fascinating. Mint errors oscier wen so met een goes wrongdiering te manufacturing proces. Examples gaan include of genter strikkes, clipped planchets, doublet viatires, dibriacs, wrongplanchets, and other production abnormalities. However, tere is a major warning here. Not if a initial loking coin is a mint error. As so'n gaan bedamag het after leaving te mint in foundless wise. It kan be het by machinery, skeer dit in avise, scratch it, chemicale alter it, or it pose it to extreme conditions. Deze vorms of damage my look dramatic, bid ty generally do not carry te same significanse as algemeine mint created error. Thys is why comparison is so important. If ou tank our 1964 penne as doubling, compare te affected lettering or date witte gequaliteit photographes of authenticated examples. If te soen uppers of genter measure te amount of missing designant examine te sape of te planchet. If tere is as strange ete, in spite it carefully rather than immediately assuming it is an error. Another interesting factor is the possibility of varieties. Coin collectors show met die misstudie differences in these, lettering, spacing, and other production characteristics. A variety may be recognized because a particular die produceert a distinctive feature. But diese varieties must be verified carefully. Online photographes and social media posts kan so met die mismake ordinary die characteristics apper much rarer than ty actuele are. If ou believe our 1964 Lincoln pen felt by exceptional, professional authentication is the safest next step. A reputable grading service or experience numismatist kan examine te soon inner magnification, evaluate it servatus, determine whether an apparent error is geneine, and assign a professional grade when appropriate. And please remember one of the most important rules in coin collecting, never clean a potentially valuable coin. How mag think removing dirt will make it a penny look better, but rubbing or polishing can permanently damage the original surface. Collectors generally prefer natural, original coins over artificially cleaned examples. If our penny is dirty, leave it alone and seek professional advice. Now let's return to the fetching 605,000 figure. A value that a geweld represent an extraordinary situation, not a normal market value of a standard 1964 Lincoln cent. And I claim that a particular coin is worth 605,000 held be supported by credible evidence, such as professional authentication, a documented auction record, and clear identification of the exact error variety, or foundation that makes the specimen extraordinary. This distinction matters because vooral coin videos often is enormous numbers to attract attention. Wele dat kan make people excited about collecting, responsible collectors need to separate possibility from probability. The real lesson is not that every old penny is secretly worth a fortune. The real lesson is that certain initial coins can deserve serious attention, and you need to know what characteristics actually matter. Imagine siarsing trouge aan old family phone collection. How vind sy vir al 1964 Lincoln pennies. Most have scratches and dark surfaces. One looks noticeably sharper. Another upper slightly initial around the lettering. A third has an odd looking edge. Instead of spending time immediately, you separate them for closer inspection. That simple habit is of collectors learn to identify potential triaceres. The history behind the 1964 Lincoln cent also makes it interesting beyond its monetary value. Every one of these sequence represents a small bit of American economic history. It was a trouwige period of changing prices, growing commerce, and major changes in the nation's toenage system. Millions were produced, but the individual journey of each phone is unique. If our half 1964 penny today start by identifying whether it has a mint mark or no mint mark. Examine its condition in the goed lichting. Look for initial strikke characteristics. Check the data and lettering carefully. Inspect the reference and the etke. Compare wat ou see with the reliable references. Most importantly, avoid making a value decision based on appearance alone. A normal circulated 1964 Lincoln penny is generally not a 605,000 coin. But a geneinelei rare, authenticated, exceptionele preservate, or dramatisale erroneo specimen vult by a completely different story. Dat is the difference between a common coin and a numismatische stoverij. So te net time ou see a 1964 Lincoln penny, don't automatically throw it into our spending pile. Pick it up. Turn it over. Look at the data. Check the mint mark. Studie the servatus. Examine the strikke. And if something looks geneinelei initial, don't clean it and don't risk it to sell it get it professionally evaluated. Because the most exciting part of so'n collecting isn't simply finding a valuable coin. It's discovering something unexpected in an object that millions of people have ignored. This is so'n seller network, and if you enjoy inchevering the stories behind Lincoln pennies, rare coins, mint errors, and potentially valuable treasures, stay funnisted. Keepsjaarsing houer old change, goeiejaars, inherited collections, and forgotten bosses. Hou never know wat mig het beheading tere. A 1964 Lincoln penny may bewoorde only a small amount in ordinary condition, but the rigid combination of rarity, error, preservation, and authentication gaan completely change the story. And when ou jaar a number like 605,000, remember, don't believe it headline blindly. Investigate the soon, verify the facts, and let the evidence tell how wat ou reale have. Writing. Imagine finding a 1 cent gewoon in our pocket, looking at the data, and realizing that the little pike of copper colored metal could potentially besonheid to a value of 605,000. Sounds unbelievable, rigid. But that is exactly why soon collectors never ignore ordinary looking pennies. Wel toe me back to phone seller network, where we in sover the history, varieties, errors, condition, and hidden details that can make everyday coins fascinating treasures. Today we are taking a closer look at the 1994 Lincoln penny, a soon that millions of people have handled without ever realizing how important its condition and characteristics gaan be. Before hou spend or dismiss our 1994 penny, take a 5 seconds to examine it carefully. Because the difference between an ordinary example and an exceptionally rare collectible can come down to tiny details that most people never notice. 1994 Lincoln penny. The 1994 Lincoln cent was produced during a period when the United States mint was striking enormous quantities of change for everyday commerce. The schoon features the familiar portrait of President Abraham Lincoln on the opverse, designate by Victor David Brenner, with the instructions Liberty, in God we trust, and the date 1994. On the reverse is the Lincoln Memorial, along with the United States of America, a pluribus unum, and 1 cent. At first glance, there may seem to be nothing extraordinary about this coin. In fact, most 1994 Lincoln pennies are common and are word closer to their face value when circulated. Bitcoin collecting is all about exceptions, and that is where things become interesting. When evaluating a 1994 Lincoln penny, the first thing household check is the mint mark. Depending unter Produktion Location, hou my vind at Mintmark beniate te date, indicating Denver, vele Philadelphia Sens Frontes era generale haven no Mintmark. Tiere were also proof coins produced at the San Francisco Mint Carrington Mintmark. Te Mintmark alone dus not automatically make a 1994 pennerare, but it helps identify the soon and determine which varieties and condition standards help be considered. Next, look closely at the condition. This is one of the most important factors in determining the value of modern Lincoln cents. Je verleiscirculate 1994 penny mice of scratches, the soloration, worn lettering, flattened details, and marks from eiers of ise. Such a sign is generally not valuable beyond a small collector premium, if any. But an exceptionally preserved example can be much more interesting. Collectors examine the sharpness of Lincoln's hair, the details around his ear and jaw, the lettering, the memorial columns, the fields, and the overall surface quality. The color of a copper-plated zin 1994 kent is also important. Inlike eerlier bronze Lincoln cents, the standaard 1994 kent was strik essing copper-plated zins. Dat means de fonas a zindcore covered by a thin layer of copper. This construction created opportunities for initial mint errors. If the copper plating is damaged, missing, improperly applied, or dramatically separated from the zindcore, the sign can attract the attention of error collectors. However, not every damaged or discolored penny is a genuine mint error. Environmental exposure, chemicals, scratches, cleaning, and normal circulation can create appearances that look initial but have a little collectible value. This is weer a careful inspection becomes extremely important. Look at the etge of our 1994 penny. Is the copper colored surface consistent around the entire etge? Do how see an initial exposed area? Dus der soon appear significantly different from another 1994 kent. Compare both sides in der goed lichting. Avoid cleaning te soon because policing or rubbing a potentially collectible coin can reduce its value and permanently damage its original surface. Another major factor is the possibility of a genuine mint error. Collectors search for striking errors, clipped planchets, of genter strikkes, doublet features, plating problems, the related abnormalities, and other manifesting mistakes. A dramatic, authenticated mint error can be far more desirable than a normal example. But there is an important distinction between a true mint error and post-mint damage. A fine that was damaged after leaving the mint does not automatically become rare simply because it looks initial. Now let's talk about the headline figure of 605,000. A value like 605,000 shall not be interpreted as meaning that every 1994 Lincoln penny is worth anywhere closer to that amount. In online phone videos, large figures are often toegelegd a potentiële extraordinary specimen, but real world value depends on authentication, rarity, condition, provenance, market demand, and documented sales. If you see a claim that a particular 1994 penny is worth 605,000, household demand strong evidence before believing it a genuine figure valuation wilt require an exceptionally initial coin with the compelling documentation and professional authentication. That is why grading services matter. If you believe our 1994 Lincoln penny has an initial error or extraordinary condition, consider having it examined by a reputable professional grading service or experienced numismatist. Professional examination can determine whether the feature is a legitimate mint error, whether the coin has been altered, and how its condition compares with the other examples. Never assume that a strong looking coin is automatically a jackpot. There is another reason that 1994 penny is worth examining, condition rarity. Millions of coins may have been produced, but for fewer survive in pristine condition. Coins gaan bedamaged almost immediately after entering circulation. Te are troven into jaars, drop het ons sidewalks, kariet in pockets, et poset to mooi stiere, and miset witte tousans of otterkoons. Vinding as haar pleistrik, neerlei flawless echample kantere voere bematch harder dan simplei vinding te date. If ou are siarsing our collection rigit nov, start witte te basets. Vind te date. Check wetter tere is aan mintmark. Echamine botesides inderbrug het ligget. Look voor initial doubling, missing plating, major striking problems, cracks, clips, or dramatitalei of chenter desigens. Check te etke. Ten compare te foon witte trusted references aan, if te soon appars geneinelei initial, seek professional adviese. And remember never klein ourchoen. Tes is one of te biggest mistakes neef collectors make. As soon taat looks der ty my stil have variable original servatus. Kleaning kan liave scratches en natural sine or chemical damage dat collectors immediately recognide. Original condition is isualei vermoere desirable tan aan artificiële poliset apparanse. Te story of te 1904 in Negentig Lincoln Penny is ultimately a lesson about observation. As soon dus not need to look spectacular at first glance to deserve as a second look. Tetenai details gaan tel aan entirely different story. My beouer soon is simply a normal circulated kent word vrij little. Maybe it is a niet incirculated example with a collector apple. Or perhaps it has a geneine error that deserves professional evaluation. The important thing is knowing hoe to tell the difference. So before uitrof dat al 1904 in Negentig Lincoln Penny into a spending pile take a closer look. Check the date, mintmark, servatus, color, etge, strikke and overal condition. Compare it with the authenticated examples and never trust an enormous price claim without evidence. The possibility of a 605,000 coin may be extraordinary, but the real triasire is learning how to recognize what our actuele have. This is so'n seller network, and if you enjoy the stuffering valuable pennies, rare coins, mint errors, and fascinating pieces of American history, make sire how stijf it is. Houer net great vind kultbeheading in a so'n jaar, an old collection, or even te change sitting in houer pocket rigit nov. Te net time hou see a 1904 in Negentig Lincoln Penny, don't just see one cent. Look closer, bechouse in phone collecting, the smallest detail kan make te biggest difference.